How do different local communities around Europe contribute to a shared European public space? And anyway, what should our public spaces look like in these times? How can we develop more cultural solidarity with and between citizens, regions and nationalities? How can the shared work on big and small solutions foster a sense of Europeanness? We propose to go to places which already exist everywhere and attract millions of people every day. Places which provide a home to both small stories and big history. Places of community and creation. We want to go to these places to listen, to understand the challenges of today, and to develop solutions for tomorrow. These places are the libraries of Europe. There are 65,000 public libraries across Europe, both big and small. Capital-based and rural. These libraries serve as physical and online centres, where people with all kinds of backgrounds have access to knowledge, experience, and participation. We present the Europe Challenge with Libraries. Local questions are often shared questions in a European context. With the 2021 Europe Challenge, we build towards shared solutions to some of the most pressing challenges we face, such as inclusion and equal rights, digital literacy, reinvention of our public space, public health, environment, and post-COVID recovery. The 2021 Europe Challenge gives methodological support, funding, and space to the staff and the communities of the participating libraries to make solution-based experimentation in local and translocal settings, resulting in a great variety of people-led solutions, making a better living space and cultural solidarity for Europeans. To help great ideas turn into reality, stunning proposals for solutions for Europe will receive the Europe Challenge Future Fund in the beginning of 2022. Want to get to know us or support this initiative? Write to us at ask@culturalfoundation.eu.